Hotel collection diffuser not working? Here's how to fix it. Alright, so if your hotel collection diffuser suddenly stops producing scent or doesn't turn on at all, I get why that's confusing. These things usually just sit there and work quietly in the background, so when it stops, it feels like it came out of nowhere. One day, everything smells great, and the next, nothing. No fragrance, no response, sometimes not even turning on. But before assuming the unit is broken, most of the time, it's actually something simple. These diffusers rely on proper airflow and a secure connection with the scent bottle. So even a small issue like a loose connection, incorrect setup, or a blocked internal path can stop it from working completely. So let's go through a few quick checks to get it back up and running. First, check the power connection. Make sure the unit is properly plugged in and receiving power. Sometimes it's as simple as a loose cable or outlet issue. Next, turn the diffuser off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. A quick restart can clear small system glitches. After that, open the unit and check the scent bottle. Make sure it's installed correctly and fully secured. If it's even slightly misaligned, the diffuser may not be able to pull the scent properly. Then take a look at the nozzle and internal airflow path. Over time, residue or buildup can block airflow. Clean it gently to make sure nothing is restricting the system. Also, check your intensity settings. If the diffuser is set too low, it might seem like it's not working when it's just barely outputting scent. Try increasing it to a higher level. Once you've gone through all that, turn the unit back on and check if the scent starts coming through again. In most cases, this isn't a hardware failure. It's usually a small setup or airflow issue that just needs a quick reset or adjustment.